Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add a timer on Wix.com. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can get started with my link in the description. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your site or select your site. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on design site over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and make a room for the timer. So guys, I will be putting the timer down below. And let's say I'm gonna add it over here. So now just simply click on add elements over here on the left side. From here, just simply use the search bar over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and search for timer. And after that, as you can see, you will have here apps for your site. So you can just simply go to app market over here. From here, just simply search again timer. And after that, you should be able to see here 35 apps, as you can see, and just simply choose what you prefer. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one and click on add to site. And from here, click on this one and click on agree and add. And from here, I will be able to click on the timer. And now, as you can see, it is now been added. So just simply go ahead and place it where you want to be. And from here, guys, you can cut it as well. And if you want to design it, just simply click on settings over here. And after that, you should be able to change the timer over here. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.